This is Harish from Ace Designers Limited Machining Center Division. This is a new model which we have launched very recently. This is called as GV40 from the AceMicromatic Group. This particular machine is with a 500 stroke, x-axis to 500 stroke, y-axis 400 mm and z-axis 400 mm stroke. This is a very compact vertical machining center suitable for all kind of applications, whether be it a diamond mold, aerospace, general engineering or automobile. It is a very good machine. And the USPs of this particular machines are as follows. The x-axis is 700 stroke, y is 400, z is 400, and then the spindle taper is HSK A50 with a peak torque of 18 Nm torque. With this 18 Nm torque, you are able to machine any kind of a material, and it is very well suitable for a very high rigid machining, and you can remove a lot of material from this particular machine. Then going forward, this particular machine has a pallet changer. Of course, the basic machine will have a standard table, whereas this machine has a turntable which is 760 by 400 mm size of pallet. And the other advantage of this particular machine is we can accommodate 4th axis rotatable on both sides of the table. Then it has got 26 numbers of tools with a chip-to-chip time of 4.5 seconds, whereas pallet changing time is 6 seconds, which is very fast as compared to this kind of a segment machine. Then this particular machine can also be given with CTS, 21 bar CTS, 50 bar CTS, with a conveyor, without conveyor. Going forward, this is a bridge type, gantry type construction machine, wherein on the base the bridge is going to move. So with that, there is a rigidity in the machine which will be very suitable for steel machining application. As I earlier said, HSK A50 spindle taper is almost equivalent to BT40. So with this HSK A50, we'll be able to machine steel machining very easily. So in a BT30 segment size of a machine, machining a steel is really good.